Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Bowers and Wilkins. So the button for the hard reset located at the bottom, but you should have something to touch this button, because I can't make it with my fingers. So just press and hold it, and right here we should have this orange LED light. So after that, close the charging case, then click the information icon or settings icon, and then forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device and then open the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, press and hold both of buttons here and click on your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!